AI won't take your job, but it will change how you write. Hi, I'm Sunil Krishna, CMO Document 360. Welcome to Inside Great Documentation. Every few months, there is a new headline. AI will replace writers. AI will replace documentation team. But here's the reality. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for the boring parts of it. Documentation team spend a surprising amount of time on things that aren't really writing. Rephrasing the same instructions, standardizing tone, fixing grammar, summarizing long explanations, creating first draft from rough notes. It's important work, but repetitive. I saw this while we were building our internal marketing resource library. We had brand guidelines, templates, assets spread across dozens of rough documents and video recordings. Writers were spending hours just rephrasing sentences, converting long videos into usable articles. So we changed the approach. We used AI to generate first draft, organize raw notes, transform video transcripts into structured articles, and cleaning up the language. Then the team stepped in. They reviewed everything, corrected inaccuracies, added context, and made sure it reflected how the company actually works. What used to take days took hours, and the quality improved, not dropped. That's the shift we are moving towards. AI doesn't replace documentation jobs. It changes what they spend their time on. In a great documentation workflow, AI becomes your writing agent. So writers focus on clarity and consistency and create better documentation.